Just got home. I know I don't vlog in the middle of school because I don't want people to see me like, hey, is that girl crazy or is she just vlogging for them? Like, I don't want to film all the students because I know they want privacy and stuff. But yeah. Yep, I cried in the bus. It's just things that are like bringing me down. But I'll be good. I'll be okay tomorrow. I don't feel like talking to anyone tomorrow because I'm not in the mood to talk. And I probably won't vlog tomorrow. I'm just gonna vlog my school's hallway. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I'll see you when I get inside.
Yeah.
Bye.